Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. I like this pose of this nice relaxed kitty. Just getting that swing of the ears and stuff, just the shapes, general shapes. And I'm going at 3 times the speed here and voicing over. Kind of fussed over those ears a bit. Had to get them just right. I'm just kind of feeling my way around. And modifying where I have to. I want that real swing between the ears so the ears are one kind of unified entity. And then a nice line for where I'm going to put the eyes. We'll form a muzzle there too. Kitty's flat out sleeping in the sunshine by the looks of it, kind of with one paw hanging over the edge of a deck or something. I want that chin flat on the board floor. That looks more like an ear. Keeping that unity between the ears. And we'll bring the eyes to life a little. I mean, they're sleeping eyes, but they can still bring some life into it. Suggestion of tabby marks, which are present in most cats, I find. Even if they're not a so-called tabby. They usually have a suggestion of an M on the forehead anyways, and I tend to put it in anyways, because I aim for character and soul more than totally making it look exactly like what I'm drawing. It looks a little bit happier there. Okay, we're going faster now. 6 times the speed. We'll finish up this drawing. Just a suggestion of hair inside the ears. Suggestion of toe beans too. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see me do for a tutorial. Tell me about yourself or your cat. Whiskers. I felt like I kind of messed up the whiskers a little. I sort of had them coming from the same spot on the left-hand side, so I like them better now though. Just put some finishing touches on it here. I like it. Looks like Kitty's all splayed out having a nice nap in the sun. Thank you so much for watching today. And tell me your ideas about tutorials you'd like to see. We'll see you next time.